Once upon a time, in the vibrant town of Melodyville, there was a little school right at the heart of Blossom Park. In this school, children didn't just learn through books and numbers, they learned through songs. The teacher, Mrs. Lyra, believed that rhymes were magical keys to unlock the treasure troves of education and creativity in young minds. In Mrs. Lyra's class was a shy girl named Ellie, who led with her letters and numbers. Words jumbled on pages and numbers got mixed up, leaving her often frustrated and disheartened. Mrs. Lyra noticed Ellie's struggle and decided to introduce her to the power of rhymes. The next day, Mrs. Lyra started the lesson with a simple rhyme: 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock on the door. The class clapped and chanted. Ellie's eyes lit up as she followed along, her voice a soft echo in the chorus. As weeks passed, Mrs. Lyra taught more rhymes, each with melodies as catchy as the last. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, to anticipate each number, each rhyme building her confidence and joy. Not only did Ellie learn her numbers, but she also started recognizing words and their sounds. The rhymes helped her visualize and remember, making reading and arithmetic less daunting. Her enthusiasm and improvement were evident, and her classmates cheered her on, all learning and growing together through the universal language of rhyme. By the end of the school year, Ellie could recite, read, and count with ease. Mrs. Lyra's belief in the educational power of rhymes had transformed Ellie and her classmates, instilling in them a love for our learning that echoed beyond the classroom walls of Blossom Park. Thus, through melodies and words, little minds in Melodyville discovered joy in education. Rhymes didn't just teach, they opened worlds.